Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Hop School and College assisted by Sindh Education Foundation. In previous video we have done the few topics from the chapter number 7. Now in this video we will learn about respiration. Respiration. Cell requires energy for the processes. So that purpose the food is breakdown to release energy is called respiration. It occurs in the presence of oxygen. There are two types of respiration. One is anaerobic respiration and other is aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is a breakdown of glucose without oxygen. It is further two types. One is alcoholic fermentation and other is lactic acid fermentation. Now, aerobic respiration, it is a type of respiration in which breakdown of glucose occurs in the presence of oxygen. It occurs in the three steps. One is glycolysis, number two is Kreb cycle, number three is electron transport chain. So, number one is glycolysis. It is a first stage of in which glucose 6 carbon compound is break down into two molecules of pyruvic acid, which is 3 carbon compound, and here two ATP molecules are produced and it occurs in the cytosol. Number two is Krebs cycle. It is a second stage of respiration in which pyruvic acid enter into the mitochondria. Here completely pyruvic acid break down into carbon dioxide and water and some ATP and coenzymes are produced. Number three is electron transport chain. It is a carriers of electron when electron are passes and generate ATP. Now the last one is uses of respiration energy. It helps in the synthesis of molecule and it also helps in the cell division and the process of making new cells, and it also helps in the muscle contraction, and it also helps in the passage of nerve impulse, and it also helps in the maintenance of body temperature. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe the Hop School and College.